Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's episode I am going to be starting to tackle removing some of the stuff from the engine bay, getting that ready, hoping by the end of the episode be able to just lay in the supercharger and see what kind of room I'm going to have for any kind of charge cooler or anything like that. So yeah, so hoping to remove all of that, remove most of this heater pipe, because I know a lot of that's going to have to go because the supercharger drive and everything sits here, supercharger here, carb here, so we will remove most of that and yeah, see how we go from there. Right, so that's the carb, some of the heater hoses out the way now, so it gives me a much better idea of how much room I've got. So now I can try just placing the supercharger in, just see where it is and isn't going to fit, and just see how much room I've got really. So yeah, let's do that next. it's all looking fairly promising. I think I'm certainly going to have a some kind of scoop in the bonnet, just to accommodate the charger and the charge cooler, but I'm not too worried about that. I might have a quick look, see if I can find a slightly slimmer charge cooler. That would be the ideal solution, but obviously then you lose some of the efficiency. But yeah, we'll see. But it all looks like it's not a million miles off at all. That's with the charge cooler under it. The kit, I've showed a look. The kit comes with the inlet manifold is in line with the very top face of the cylinder head, with this face here, so it is in line with that. So as long as I can get something, you know, roughly in line with that. The issue I know I'm definitely going to have is the kit puts the charger here, whereas I want it further back and up. So I'm almost certainly going to have to cut the pipes, extend them moving back, maybe lower it slightly. I might be able to do it that way, but it seems like there's enough room to do it. And then I'll have the adapter here, and then probably a pipe coming down here, mount the carb down here with an inlet here, something like that. And then for the charge cooler setup, I'm going to be using PC radiators and fans, so probably going to try and run something here if I can, with 2 fans behind it, or if not, then I can run something in the wheel arch with like a cowling behind it, to obviously protect it from the stones and stuff. But the idea will be something in the engine bay. Yeah, don't know, we'll see. We'll mock all that up once we've got it in and know it fits. But yeah, it's all looking pretty promising. A couple of the other little jobs I've got to do is get rid of this, make a blank for there. I'm going to move the washer jet bottle to under here. That can all sit there again. Probably just make a little plate there to protect it from some of the road crud. And obviously I've got a nice amount of space here as well for something if I so need it. I can't think what I would put there at the moment, but we'll see. Just see what we need to move and what we need to leave where it is. So yeah, one of the big jobs, well, not big jobs, but one of the jobs still remaining from last time is to tidy up all the wiring. As you can see, it's all a bit of a mess at the moment. Right before the MOT, I was, you know, slamming it all together as quick as I could to get it ready for the MOT, and went to put all the wire and loom in and realised that someone had cut it in half, so had to rewire the entire car from scratch, which is why it's all still loose wires and stuff, because I knew I'd be adding stuff and removing stuff as it progressed. And as I have, you know, I've put in extra gauges and stuff like that, and I'll be putting in extra wiring and stuff for the charge cooler system. So I wanted to get all that done before I wrapped all the wiring, and then, you know, the inevitable having to cable tie extra wires on the outside. It's just nice if it's all done at once. So yeah, but overall it's looking pretty promising. Hopefully this hasn't been a particularly long video, time-lapse most of it, and yeah, but great progress, and yeah, hopefully it continues. So thanks for watching, and hopefully the lighting's a bit better in this one. I noticed on the last one, the lighting, every time I move, the lighting from the lights changes the exposure on the camera. I think I've turned that off now, but it's not clear whether that's every video or just odd video, I don't know. So yeah, if that's still a problem, then what I'll probably do is just try and get hold of a static tripod and just have the camera sat somewhere so I'm not moving around with it. That might be a better option. Then at least the light won't be changing. But anyway, really good progress, really happy with it. Hopefully you guys are starting to enjoy it and get into it a bit as well now. And yeah, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.